Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to fix the HP docking station not detecting monitor. Easy fix for display issues. So fix 1, check the physical connection. So disconnect the monitor cable from the docking station and monitor. Then reconnect all cables securely. Then make sure the monitor is powered on and verify the monitor is set to the correct input source, means HDMI, DisplayPort or USB-C. Now test with a different cable if available. The fix 2, restart the docking station. So shut down your laptop, disconnect the docking station from the laptop, unplug the dock power adapter and wait 30 seconds. Now reconnect the power adapter and dock and turn on the laptop and check the monitor. Step fix 3, detect the monitor in Windows. So right click in the dock, right click on the desktop and select display setting. Scroll down to multiple display. Now click detect. If the monitor appear, select extend this display. Fix 4, update graphics driver. So press Window plus X and open the device manager. Now expand display adapter. Then right click your graphics card and select update driver. Now install any available update and then restart your computer. The fix 5, update HP dock firmware. Visit the HP support website, download the latest firmware for your docking station model, install the update and then restart both the dock and laptop. Fix 6, update BIOS and Windows. So open the settings, then click on Windows Update. Now install all available Windows Update and then download and install the latest BIOS update for your HP laptop. Then restart the system after updating. The fix 7, perform a hardware reset. So shut down the laptop, disconnect the dock and power adapter, then hold the laptop power button for about 10, 15 to 30 seconds. Then reconnect power and start the laptop. Then reconnect the docking station and monitor. And the final fix, contact HP support. So test the dock with another compatible laptop. Check if docking station is under warranty. Now contact HP support if the monitor is still not detected after all troubleshooting steps. So goodbye and thanks for watching.